Well, Dassault Aviation teams up with Tata Advanced Systems to produce Rafale fighter jet fuselages in India, and this would be serving both India and international customers. My colleague Shiv joins us with more details on this. Shiv, this development coming at a time of Operation Sindoor. Explain to us the importance of this. Clearly, this would mean a lot for strengthening India's aerospace manufacturing and also its defense capabilities.
This is a big corporate partnership that has been forged between Dassault Aviation, which is the French company that manufactures the Rafale fighter aircraft in service with the Indian Air Force currently, and Tata Advanced Systems Limited, which is one of India's largest private sector defense companies. Now remember that Tata Advanced Systems Limited under the Tata Group is already involved in a lot of military manufacture. It already manufactures parts for Boeing, Lockheed Martin, Airbus, and all major companies. They've got a huge facility on the outskirts of Hyderabad in Telangana where they build a lot of aerostructures, for F-16s, for Apache helicopters, and many other such systems. They also, remember, are a joint venture partner of Airbus in building the C-295 aircraft in Vadodara in Gujarat. This particular partnership with Dassault Aviation means that they will become a supplier of the entire fuselage component, the main body part of the Rafale fighter aircraft. Once that facility is set up, it will basically mean that Tata becomes the global sole supplying hub of those airframe components for the Rafale. So a large part of the Rafale basically technically will become made in India. Now remember that the Indian Navy just a few months ago had ordered 27 more Rafale fighter aircraft. 27 more, what I mean is 36 have already been delivered to the Air Force. 27 will soon be delivered in a few years from now to the Indian Navy. So potentially this factory that Tata Advanced Systems Limited sets up to build the fuselages of the Rafale could be the ones supplying to the Indian Navy as well. So a made in India Rafale has become much closer to reality now.
Right. Also, Shiv, just for the context, help us understand the main body of the aircraft being manufactured in India. What does that mean for India's own aerospace manufacturing capabilities?
It's a huge thing because building aerostructures, aircraft parts of any kind, assemblies, and in this case an entire fuselage is an enormously complicated engineering exercise. And in the best traditions of a company like Tata Advanced Systems Limited, there are many other companies in the private sector that are doing complicated work, including Adani Defense and many others, also situated in and around Hyderabad that are doing airframing work and aerostructuring work. First of all, it is extremely cost intensive. Number two, the kind of standards required by these global companies are huge. So that is a huge validation for the kind of Indian corporate culture and the manner in which they're able to become hubs for supplying, sensitive aircraft parts to global companies. Number three, it's a huge source of innovation and jobs. Job creation as a result of factories of this kind is going to become huge. And these are jobs that range across the spectrum, from lower end jobs to high tech jobs, because we're talking about aerospace and engineering here, and therefore every such partnership, every such part built here in India is going to be huge as far as not just made in India is concerned, but the overall defense economy.
Yeah, thank you, Shiv Arur, for joining us with those important details. And my colleague breaking this important piece of news that Dassault Aviation teams, in fact, it has teamed up with Tata Advanced Systems. They would be producing Rafale fighter jet fuselages in India, and this would be serving both India and international markets.